Hello everyone, I'm Professor Moore. Let's look at this question. We have this electrical circuit. We're asked to find the Thevenin equivalent parameters between Y and Z over this 10K resistor. This may look like a technical question, but it actually becomes much easier when you know what to look for and how to look at it. The first thing we do is we compute our Thevenin. All voltage sources become short circuits. All current sources become open circuits. We are left with this circuit. Interested in the equivalent resistance between Y and Z. So note that we actually have a path made only of short circuits between Y and Z. This path right here. So if we were to apply a power source, all the current would flow through this compound short circuit, making this the equivalent resistance between Y and Z simply 0. Okay, so the solution is 0, which leaves us only with options B or C. Moving on to compute Thevenin, and we need to disconnect the load, leading to this circuit. The total voltage between Y and Z can be traced through this path. Okay, we have a concatenation of power sources between Y and Z. So the total voltage between Y and Z is going to be 20 plus 100 plus 20, making this 140 volts, leaving us with only solution B. If you enjoyed this video, I would be extremely grateful if you liked and subscribed. I'll see you in the next video.